Hi friends, today we'll make chicken curry. You need 1 onion. Slice the onion, half carrot, cut the carrots, 2 pieces of chicken legs cut into bite size. You need 1 box of curry cube. Pour the oil, put the veggies, stir well. Put the chicken, stir properly. Put 2 bay leaves, tear them. Pour 1 liter of water. In low heat, simmered for another 10 minutes. Shout out to Bike Tayo 7055 and Lovelia R Vlog. Pour 2 tablespoons of tonkatsu sauce. Now this is very important. Turn off the heat before putting the curry cube. Wait for 10 minutes. Switch back the heat and stir well until the liquid thickens. If you like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up as it means a lot to me. And please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your food. See you soon. Mata ne!